Hello guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today it's my topic name cell membrane. Now we are discussing in our video. Let's start our topic cell membrane. All cells have a thin and elastic cell membrane around the cytoplasm. It is selectively permeable. It allows very few molecules pass through. Its why blocks and many other molecules. Cell membrane is composed of protein and lipids and small quantities of carbohydrates. The structures of cell membrane is described as a fluid mosaic model. According to this model, the lipids make a fluid-like bilayer in which protein molecules are submerged. You know guys, the lipids or proteins can move laterally due to these movements. The pattern or mosaic of lipid and proteins constantly changes. Carbohydrates are joined with protein in the form of glycoproteins or with lipids, glycolipids. In eukaryotic cells, many organelles, for example, mitochondria, chloroplast, Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, lysosomes are also bounded by membrane. Cytoplasm. Cytoplasm it is just like jelly-like substance that fits the inside of a cell. It is complex mixture of water, proteins, enzymes, salts, and other substances. Cytoplasm provide a medium for organelles to move and function. It also helps in the transport of materials throughout the cell. It acts as the site for various metabolic reactions. For example, glycolysis breakdown of glucose. It also stores food and wastage of the cell. Nucleus. All eukaryotic cells have a prominent nucleus in animals. It is present in center in mature plant cells. It pushed to side due to a large central vacuole. The nucleus is bounded by a double membrane known as a nuclear envelope. Nuclear envelope it is a semi-permeable membrane and has many small pores called nuclear pores. The inner portion of nucleus, jelly-like materials of nucleus is called nucleoplasm. In nucleoplasm, there are one or more small bodies called nuclei, singular nucleon. Here, the ribosomes are assembled. Nucleoplasm contain fine thread-like structures material known as chromatin. Chromatin it is composed of deoxyribonucleic acid and protein. When a cell starts dividing, the chromatin condenses or takes shape of thick chromosomes. DNA double nucleic acid contains genes which control all the activities of the cell. DNA is also responsible for the transmission of the characteristics to the next generation. That is why it is called the hereditary material. The prokaryotic cells do not contain a prominent nucleus. The chromosome is made of DNA only and flats in cytoplasm. Cytoskeleton. Cytoskeleton it is a network of thin tubules and filaments present throughout the cytoplasm. It consists of three parts: microtubules, microfilaments, and intermediate filaments. Microtubules are hollow tubes made up of tubule protein. This part holds organelles in place, maintains a cell shape, and acts as tracks of organelles. Microtubes are also mixed mitotic spindles, cilia, and flagella. Microfilaments. Macrofilaments are fine than macrotubules. These are made up of contractile proteins, mainly actin. They help in cell movement, for example, the crawling of white blood cells and contraction of the muscles. Microfilaments are Microfilaments are found in the microtubules. They are made of the contractile proteins, mainly actin. They help in the cell movement. Intermediate filaments. Intermediate filaments are rod made of variety of protein, mainly keratin and vimentin. They anchor the insert the nucleus and some other organelles in this cell. They also made cell to the cell junction.